Hello everybody and welcome. Now that we've covered all of the sound and how to accentuate your sentences, let's talk about some final related concept, muted letter, the liaison, and the flow. You can find an example of all of this in our French course, so hit the link in the description to check it out. And now let's talk about muted letters. We have 5 letters, D, G, S, T, and X, that are muted when they are placed at the end of the word. For example, in the words je comprends, étudiant, je peux, or dois, the last letters are silent. However, if you add a vowel, let's say an E, at the end of the word, then it reveals this muted letter, and for example, étudiant becomes étudiante. And this brings us to the liaison. When you have a word that ends with one of these muted letters, and the following word starts with a vowel, it's almost as if they were one word, and the vowel reveals these muted letters. For example, in comment allez-vous, or in des étudiants allemands. It's almost as if the words were blending together. And that brings us to the last point we'll talk about today, the flow. Most people in casual speech will just say, what you doing? And similarly in English we say gonna for going to and wanna for want to. In French, for example, we have je crois que that will become je crois que. Or il n'y a pas de quoi that will become y a pas de quoi. This makes it a tiny bit trickier to understand where a word starts or finishes, but again, the best way is to practice. So hit the link in the description and check out Mango Languages to keep learning and practicing your French. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave a thumb up and share it with your friend. Thanks for watching et à bientôt.